Let's turn a boring pencil into a lollipop pencil. First, I covered the pencil with a masking tape. If you don't have a masking tape, you can paint the pencil with a white paint or cover it with white clay. Now let's decorate the tape. I drew dots and other shapes in different colors. The lollipop stick is ready. Now let's make the lollipop. I made long rolls from clay. You can choose any colors you want. I chose pink, green, yellow, and blue. Now I'm rolling the clay to shape the lollipop. More rolling. Now let's join them. It looks yummy.